What up YouTube, J-Dub here, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because my buddy Chris basically bought a 1998 Dodge Neon, a first-gen Neon Coupe, and it was in pretty bad shape. So, but I owned a 98 Neon Coupe when I was a teenager. I love those cars. I'm a big Neon fan. Everybody knows that. He's always wanted one, so he's been looking, but he didn't want to spend a boat ton of money on one or anything like that. So he ended up buying a wrecked one. It had been wrecked pretty bad from the previous owner, and basically he's doing a full-on restoration to the car. And he's adding a whole bunch of stuff that the car never had. Cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, all that stuff. So basically, he wanted to document it on video. So I started filming it when we first grabbed it and everything else. So I'm deciding that I'm going to turn this into a web series or just a series for the restoration of that car. And in order to do that, I've just been getting little clips here and there for when he started working on it. So this might take a little time because car is far from done. There's still some parts that he needs to pick up from it, and I apologize for the first couple of videos of this restoration. May not be the best cinematography ever. So but I'm going, now that I've decided that I'm actually going to make a playlist out of this, a series about the restoration of this Gen 1. I'm going to try to do my best to do more filming and get a little bit more in depth with what we're doing and why we're doing it and all that stuff. I don't think it's going to be a lot of how-to. It's going to be more casual than that. I mean, we can include some how-to. If you guys want to see that stuff, leave me a comment down below and letting me know what direction you'd like to see this restoration go. But he's planning on doing it all. Car is a solid shell. The whole front clip basically needed to be replaced. Hood, fender, lower radiator support, all that stuff. He needs to add a whole bunch of things that for some reason the previous owner took out of the car. It didn't even have a clock spring when we pulled the airbag out of the steering wheel. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to be filming all that as much as I possibly can and just document more. He really wanted to document it, so he had a record of doing the restoration on this car. But he's planning on trying his hand at painting because he wants to paint the car. So, like I said, I'm gonna film it, and hopefully you guys really like this. Like I said, feedback is what I'm looking for here. If you guys like this stuff, please let me know so we can continue to do more videos like this. But like I said, just give me a chance because, like I said, the first couple of videos might be kind of cut up and maybe not super in depth. So, like I said, leave comments down below. Let me know what we can do better. Let me know if there's anything you see that we didn't do that we should be doing. All this stuff. Like I said, we are human. We make mistakes. But I really, I'm excited about this series here because it's a first gen and there's not a lot of information about that on YouTube, at least from what I saw in my search. So we're really interested in being able to do this and document this car. So, like I said, guys, here's the first video. Hope you guys enjoy. This is my buddy Chris's latest project, 98 Neon Coupe, and it was in a bad accident. So, guy destroyed it. But this is the beauty of it. It's all clean. Bye, Milwaukee. Project so I can get the damn wheel off of it. Oh, we are going to slowly resurrect this car. It's going to take a time, but man, I'm super excited. Coupe Highline Sport, 5-speed manual, single overhead cam. This is going to be sweet.
quality. Man, I didn't even get a rotor. What's juice? I think it needs bearing.
I think you're right.
This is why you don't buy 18-year-old kids cars like this. Not saying it's fast, not saying it's the best thing on freaking earth. But go rip it.
Destroy Honda Civics. They made more of them.
Never sell it now.
What's that?
I can never sell it now.
Why?
Because the bolt came out.
Oh, yeah, nope. Can't. That's amaze balls. What is that, a shim?
It's just a through bolt. Sway bar off there too.
No, I meant that. Like,
it's just the holder for the bolt.
oh.
Because there's no nut. There's no head on the other side.
Oh, okay.
What size can I break that off with? Really? Really? That's what you're gonna do to me, huh? The only thing I wanted to break, and you didn't.
Why do you need that out?
Because it goes to the control arm. That's the sway bar link.
Oh, is that the link? I'm gonna say it needs a sway bar link too.
I just can't get it to fucking come off. It's amazing the fucking nut look loose though.
Right. Brake whore.
They ain't gonna break. Mess with the bull, you get the horns.
I tried to be nice. Thank you. Come again. Oh shit!
It broke.
Damn right it did. Damn, he wasn't lying. Needs a control arm.
Yeah, but once I get a control arm in it, bro, it'll at least roll.
Right?
I'm not worried about the brake caliper and shit. I can hang that up out of the way.
Well, yeah, you just need it to roll.
I'll say I'm not even worried about the freaking sway bar link right now. Fuck, bro, it's so fucking clean underneath.
I know. I know. Dude, I'm jealous. Fucking jealous.
Yeah, see, it didn't tweak that at all.
What's that?
It didn't move that at all.
No, I know. Fucking lucky. Looks like it might have tweaked a little bit right here.
Well, that could be from a jack or something like that too.
60, that's 4 minutes.
Yeah, but see, look at see how it buckled right here.
Yeah, that's what I mean, dude.
Caved up.
Had it not, had this caved in here,
Yeah.
it'd been done.
No, I just still bought the car.
You could have fixed that.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. That's.
Oh yeah.
But dude, like here,
bro, you're forgetting what
in
I
here.
did to the Eclipse.
Yeah, sure, you did do the shut towers. I'm just saying, but here, in here, is not freaking destroyed. It's amazing. That's interesting.
It has the original brake lines on it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even fucking with you. Like, look at it.
Holy crap, yeah.
Gonna replace the brake lines? Fuck no, what for? Trans is in it.
What's that?
Trans is in it. T350.
Oh, yeah, it's a 98, you would have to think.
Yeah, but there's two different gear ratios.
Well, there's the RT and there's the...
Yeah. And sometimes the lower line cars got the RT transmission.
Oh. I'd almost prefer not to have the RT transmission.
Shift cables, it looks like.
And an Iceman intake. Dude, this has got to be for a fog light. It's got to be. What else could it go to?
Trans has been apart.
Hmm?
Trans has been apart.
Trans has been apart?
Yeah, you see silicone?
And you know that's not just factory.
It's not. I just know.
All right. Well, till the next time, more updates. All right, guys, so that's the end of the first video. Like I said, it's kind of cut up. I didn't know if I was actually going to make this and put this on YouTube or not, but I think we've both decided that it should be on there so other people can see it, because he's going to be, he's really happy with this car, and he wants to see this car be restored and not completely trashed and turned into a race car or some stupid thing like that. So, like I said, leave comments down below. Let me know what you want to see more of. Let me know, any information, whatever. Just, I'm telling you guys, like, give me feedback here so I can help make videos that you guys want to see. So, until next video, we'll see you.